Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be covering our generator with our Gen 10. For this, you'll need your Gen 10 safety canopy and your electrical panel apron. In this step, we're going to take our Gen 10 safety canopy, holding it from the top cap. We're going to place it over our frame. Ensure that the center connector is centered underneath the top cap, and then the rest of the canopy is level around your generator. For this next step, we're going to take our all-weather elastics, we're going to bring them down around the bottom of the clamp between the molded ring pin and our knobs. We're going to repeat this process in a crisscross pattern. To install the electrical apron, we're going to lift up the bottom flap where the electrical panel apron will connect to. We'll then take our electrical panel apron, making sure it is centered over the electrical panel. We will attach it. So make sure that the flap is pulled back down over the top of the electrical panel apron so that water does not get underneath. For our last step, we're going to look at our refueling door, which should have been placed on the opposite side of our exhaust. The Gen 10 refueling door will give you access to refueling your generator without having to remove your Gen 10. When finished refueling, pull your refueling door back down, ensuring that it is connected to the Velcro and that the sides come back down around the frame.